Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am now at Tractor Supply getting some soil to add to our chicken compost and to add some more dirt along with our native dirt to our garden, our fall and winter garden. So I'm gonna go ahead and check this out and meet me at the garden. So here we are back at our garden with our 100% organic raised bed soil, and we're going to add some of the native dirt to the garden. And we are going to open up our garden, and this is the first bed we will be doing for our winter for some of our Swiss chard and lettuce. And we're going to clear some of the dirt out of it. Last time, a couple of months ago, we had okra growing in it. The okra did really good. You can check that video out too. So stay tuned. So here's our bed that we had the okra in last time, and I'm going to clear out some of the old dirt and then add some soil along with some chicken manure compost and plant our seeds, inshallah. Stay tuned. So as you can see, I softened up some of the soil with the hoe, and we are going to remove some of the dirt and add some chicken compost and some soil, and inshallah. And this soil is really rich, really good. So we're just gonna take away a little bit of the soil and then add some new soil, and we'll go from there. So now we are going to get some of our chicken compost, and we have it mixed with a little bit of leaves. I'm just gonna grab some of this in this bucket, transport it over to our enclosed garden, and start mixing. So this stuff is very good for your vegetables. You can do it in the winter, and this has been sitting for a while, so now we're gonna walk it over to our garden. And here we are. Gonna add it to our bed and some soil. Now here we are. We added our chicken compost, and we have some of our native soil, and we have the raised bed garden, organic garden soil, and I'm going to mix it all up and get our bed ready for planting. So I've mixed the soil. As you can see, it's all mixed quite well, and this is perfect for planting. And we're going to plant our seeds. So, that was some work, but I want to show you all the soil and how well it is mixed. If you rewind a little bit or take it back a little bit, you can see how the soil looked at the beginning and how it looks now. It's well mixed. If you can drop your soil down like that, you got it. Not clumpy, and it's ready for planting. So now on our bed, we are going to add our veggies, and some veggies that you can grow year round, which we do, that's good in November and December, is basil, lettuce, iceberg lettuce, carrot, or cayenne. I think in this bed we're going to do a little bit of cayenne and some iceberg lettuce. Now remember, and this is a cute little thing, and you can see on my channels some of the Lush and Dew. This is from Lush and Dew, and their seeds come nice and organized. You can lift up the seed, and they'll tell you exactly what's underneath it. Right here, carrot. We're not going to do carrot today because we have carrots growing in our raised bed. So we're going to do some of our cayenne and some of our iceberg lettuce today. So you see the iceberg lettuce right there, and the seeds are quite small, so we're just going to remove some of the topsoil and cover it with a little bit of top. Like I said, it's a little bit cold, and we're probably going to put this under light a little bit, but we'll start planting. I'm going to keep, because these seeds are so incredibly small, so we're going to keep the soil just like this. We're just going to open up the thing, and we're just going to place our seeds right on the top of the soil. And you're not going to really see where they grow, but once they start growing, you can pick them and pinch them apart. But we're going to just do this whole row with the iceberg lettuce seeds. So we planted our iceberg lettuce, and I'm just gently patting the soil down. And this whole row right here is the iceberg lettuce, and when they start growing, God willing, we will pinch them apart. So now up in this upper area is where I'm going to put our cayenne pepper. Now we are on our planting of our cayenne pepper, and you can check out a short on the benefits of cayenne pepper. It's tremendous, and we have some videos on cayenne pepper as well. But we are going to do pretty much the same thing with these seeds right here. We're going to sprinkle them on top of the soil, sprinkle them all around, and sprinkle some of the soil on top. Cover it, pat it slightly, and then, bismillah, let's, inshallah, wait for them to grow. And we're sprinkling some of them, as you can see, it's very lightly. And like I said, again, everyone, you can pick them apart when they start sprouting, and that'll save a lot of work. And so this is like one of those quick shortcut things where you don't want to just sit there and poke a hole and everything like that. So this is a nice, easy, surefire way that you can just do a lot of picking once they start growing. So now I'm just patting down the cayenne that I just sprinkled on top, and we added a little bit of soil. And now, inshallah, you plant the seed and God do the rest. We have to water it a little bit, and being that it's not that hot anymore, we get a lot of sun, we water it a little bit. We'll place a light over it, and sometimes we'll place like a little dome over it and put like plastic wrap. But until our first frost, anything, we'll just leave it exposed to the natural light, and we'll see from there. Water on it, not a lot, a little bit of water just to stimulate the seeds and soften them up. And I think I'm going to add a little bit of mulch, leaves. So like I said, I was going to add a little bit of mulch. The leaves serve as mulch, because I'm just going to cover this whole thing up to keep them nice and cozy if it gets too cold. Now we've completed our bed of cayenne and iceberg lettuce. I added the leaves for a natural mulch. Like I said in our video for tips for winter gardening, is that leave your leaves. They serve as a mulch and kind of cozy up the roots so they can, grow during the harsh weather. So with that being said, that is our bed of cayenne, and we'll keep you posted on how that's going in the weeks to come. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, share.